Hi guys. What? Hi guys. So at this moment of filming, I honestly don't know what this video is going to be yet. I'm on my way to Bescene Studios to get my hair, I guess, highlighted again because they asked me to be a hair model. So of course I'm going to do it. My roots are probably like this long now. You know, I still love my girl Catherine from Little Moon Salon. This was just free. Let's just try to see if we can go blonder. I guess that's what my goal is of today. I don't know how blonde I should go, to be honest. In the beginning of this whole me turning blonde thing, I really wanted to go back to brown, but now I've come this far, so I want to go even blonder. So we're gonna do it. But obviously what's most important is the health of my hair. And also I've already been noticing that my hair feels a lot thinner lately, and I don't know why. I used to have a lot of hair, and now I'm just like, okay, I just have a regular amount of hair. I've already made 2 videos, me originally going blonder, and then the second time me going blonder. So if I'm just literally just going slightly blonder again, I don't know if that's great content, or if that's pushing it, you know what I mean? Let's give you guys a good look at what my hair looks like now. The roots grown out to about here, which I'm happy to see it. I'm happy to see that hair growth. Give me more of that. I don't know. I definitely need some more lightness up here because when I pull my hair back, it literally just looks brown again. So we don't want that. All right, so my appointment's at 10 and I'm doing good on time. I'm arriving 6 minutes early, but that's not enough time for me to get coffee or a snack. And I haven't had any today, so I'm like, am I gonna starve on the chair? Originally, I was thinking I want to go like super blonde, like ridiculously blonde, which is funny because literally me a month ago, I was like, I want to go brown. This is my brain. This is my internal battle. I'm like, what do I want to do? I don't know. I found these pictures and then I was like, oh my gosh, but these girls have extremely thick hair and my hair is medium now. So I'm like, okay, if my hair does break off a little bit, it will be even thinner. And we don't want that. No, we don't. Life is a highway. That is such a classic. If you guys didn't listen to that song growing up, then I am so sorry for you because life is such a highway. That is the worst simile ever. Can we think about that? No, it's a metaphor. That is the worst metaphor ever. Can we just take a moment to examine the depth of that metaphor? Life is a highway. I'm gonna drive it all night long. Do we have a choice? It's not like you can just stop. Well, what's up with you guys? If this does become a hair video, those of you who literally don't care about me at all are gonna be like, why is this girl still talking? I'm skipping. And I'm gonna be like, I'm gonna keep talking. Okay, I don't really know what else to talk about. As soon as I just said I'm gonna keep talking, I'm like, am I? I just really want you guys to know going forward, my hair is always an internal battle on what I want to do with it. So if you relate, drop a like below. You know, if you're always like, I have no idea what I want to do with my hair, I feel you. I see pictures of my hair being super dark and I'm like, oh, it looks so good and thick. And then I see it looking really pretty and blonde in a picture that has good lighting. And I'm like, yeah, oh my god, why is it so bright? Ooh, I look like Deep Tube. Alright guys, I will maybe record, I will definitely record at the salon so you guys can watch this process. Bye! This lighting is bad, but this hair is good. You guys see how pretty this is? My camera's gonna die. It literally looks so good. I was like a little scared at one point, like a little scared, but it all turned out amazing and I'm just couldn't be happier. So okay, I'll update when my camera's not dead.
Oh my god. You are blonde AF.
Do you like it? Yeah, I wanted to get your reaction.
Oh, you can't. That's not your hairstyle.
I know.
I need to see it fluff. It's flat to your head right now. Oh, I like it. Yeah, I like it. You look sexy. Oh man, you look good. I didn't like it flat to your head like that.
Yeah, well, I don't style it.
You look good.
So I just filmed my Playboy Misguided haul, so if you guys haven't seen it already, check it out. It should already be up on my channel, but I'm just gonna make a little conclusion to my hair transformation video. This is the final result. It was hard to really see what it looked like without natural lighting. Literally, I'm blonde now, like actually blonde. I've made 2 other videos going blonder, but this is the final form pretty much. I think that she did an amazing job. I will link the stylist below, the salon, so you guys can check it out if you want. The way that it was blended, it was just amazing. I'm really happy with the result. I was like really worried at certain times during the process because it just looked crazy. Like at times, you guys will probably see that too. You're gonna be like, whoa, what's going on? But that's the way it kind of always is before they tone it and blend everything. I am a little bit worried about the front pieces of my hair because when they just were air drying, they looked pretty fried, and I don't know yet if it was just super frizzy from something that happened or what, but we will see how damaged my hair is when I wash it and let it curl up on its own. I'm like kind of nervous. It's just what happens when you use bleach. So yeah, those front pieces had already been bleached before and there was more added, so you just sometimes get a crazy result. The entire process took 6 hours, really long, so be prepared to be at the salon for a long time if you're doing a pretty big change. If it is rushed, it's probably not as good of a job. Where all this effort takes time, so just be prepared for that. Also, as time goes on, the color is probably going to change a little bit. Right now, because of the toner, it looks like a beautiful ash blonde, but it's probably gonna get a little bit warmer. Literally, like, the blending is amazing. I'm blonde. But yeah, I'm like super happy with the result. Let me know what you guys think. Stay tuned for future videos to see how it looks in my natural state. If you made it this far, comment blondie and then I'll know that you're a real one. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you have a great day and I will see you soon. Bye.